Looking for the best smart car tools on Amazon to handle DIY fixes and keep your ride in top shape? Whether you're a weekend mechanic or just want to stay prepared for emergencies, having the right car tools can save you thousands in repair bills. In this video, we're counting down 40 smart car tools that are trending on Amazon right now. From diagnostic gadgets to organizational essentials, let's dive into the ultimate car tools list. Number 1. Wiojided Headrest Hooks. Keep your interior clutter-free with the Wiojided Headrest Hooks. These simple yet effective smart car tools turn your headrest posts into convenient storage space for grocery bags, purses, and umbrellas. Made from high-quality, flexible material, they can support heavy loads without snapping. Installation is a breeze. Just hook them on without removing the headrest. It's an essential car tool for anyone looking to maximize passenger legroom and keep their bags off of the dirty floor. Number 2. THINKWORK Car Wash Kit. The THINKWORK Car Wash Kit is a comprehensive 20-piece set designed for professional-grade DIY detailing. It includes everything from microfiber towels and sponges to wheel brushes and a collapsible bucket. These car tools are made from premium materials that won't scratch your paint while removing stubborn grime. Whether you're cleaning the engine bay or the leather seats, this kit has you covered. It's one of the best car tools on Amazon for maintaining a showroom shine. Number 3. Athlife Universal Socket Set. The Athlife Universal Socket Set is a must-have for any DIY fix-it enthusiast. This ingenious car tool features 54 individual hardened steel spring pins that automatically adjust to grip hex nuts, wing nuts, and even broken bolts. It replaces a whole drawer of sockets, saving you time and space in your toolbox. Compatible with power drills and socket wrenches, it's the ultimate smart car tool for tackling home repairs or vehicle maintenance with a single versatile attachment. Number 4. CoBak Insurance Holder. Stay organized during roadside stops with the CoBak Insurance and Registration Holder. This sleek, compact folder is one of those smart car tools you didn't know you needed until you're searching for paperwork. It features multiple clear pockets to display your documents instantly, by protecting them from fading or tearing. The high-quality PU leather finish adds a touch of class to your glove box. It's an affordable and practical car tool that ensures you stay legal and prepared. Number 5. WILLUCK Magnetic Pickup Tool. The WILLUCK Magnetic Pickup Tool is a lifesaver when you drop a screw into the dark depths of your engine. This smart car tool features a powerful magnet and a high-brightness LED light at the tip of a flexible neck. It extends up to 22 inches, allowing you to reach tight spots with ease. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY-er, this is one of the most useful car tools on Amazon for retrieving lost hardware quickly. Number 6. BBjinronjy Fuse Kit. Never get stranded by a blown fuse again with the BBjinronjy 306-piece fuse kit. This comprehensive set includes various sizes of standard, mini, and low-profile fuses, color-coded for easy identification. These car tools come in a sturdy plastic case with a handy fuse puller included. Having a variety of fuses on hand is essential for troubleshooting electrical issues on the fly. It's a vital addition to any emergency car tools kit for a quick fix-it. Number 7. Ouzorp Console Cover. Protect your vehicle's center console with the Ouzorp Console Cover. This smart car tool is made from waterproof and dust-proof neoprene, shielding your armrest from pet claws, sweat, and spills. It's designed with a universal fit and features elastic bands for a snug, non-slip installation. Beyond protection, it adds an extra layer of comfort for long drives. If you want to maintain your car's resale value, this is an essential car tool to have. Number 8. Stacool Gear Shift Cover. Upgrade your interior aesthetic with the Stacool Gear Shift Cover. Designed to look like a mini hoodie, this fun yet practical car tool protects your gear shifter from sun damage and wear. It's made from soft, durable fabric that feels great to the touch and is machine washable. While it looks like a novelty, it serves as a protective barrier against scratches from rings or keys. It's a unique piece of smart car tools on Amazon. Number 9. MARLBSTON Blind Spot. Mirrors enhance your safety on the road with MARLBSTON blind spot mirrors. These smart car tools feature 360-degree rotation and sway adjustment to maximize your view of the surrounding lanes. The HD glass provides a crystal clear image, helping you make safer lane changes and easier parking maneuvers. They are waterproof and feature a strong adhesive that stays put in all weather conditions. For such a small price, these are critical car tools for any vehicle safety upgrade. Number 10. Ompellus Sunglass Holder. Keep your shades protected and within reach with the Ompellus Sunglass Holder for your sun visor. This smart car tool uses a powerful magnetic closure to securely hold your glasses without damaging the frames. Made from premium leather, it blends seamlessly with your car's interior. No more rummaging through the center console or worrying about scratched lenses. It's a simple, elegant car tool that keeps your driving experience organized and focused on the road ahead. Number 11. DGSL Door Edge. Guards prevent annoying dings and paint chips with DGSL door edge guards. These smart car tools are made from a flexible rubber material with internal metal clips that grip your door edge without messy glue. They provide a sleek, factory-finished look while offering heavy-duty protection against impacts in tight parking spots. Easy to cut and install, these car tools on Amazon are a low-cost investment that can save you a fortune in body shop repair costs. Number 12. Jerbor Cleaning Brush. The Jerbor Cleaning Brush is the ultimate smart car tool for detailing those hard-to-reach crevices. With a dual-head design featuring soft bristles on one end and a microfiber cloth on the other, it's perfect for cleaning air vents, dashboards, and keyboards. The compact size makes it easy to store in your side pocket for quick touch-ups. It's an essential car tool for anyone who takes pride in a dust-free, pristine interior without the high cost. Number 13. xdotoar Touch-Up Paint Repair. Minor scratches and stone chips instantly with xdotoar Touch-Up Paint. This smart car tool features a dual-tip design with a fine metal nib for precise scratches and a brush for larger areas. The high-quality paint provides a durable finish that prevents rust from forming on exposed metal. It's a must-have car tool for DIY fix-it enthusiasts who want to keep their car looking new. Simply find your color match and start restoring your finish. Number 14. Doaho Trim Removal Kit. Avoid damaging your interior panels with the Doaho Trim Removal Kit. This 5-piece set of smart car tools is made from impact-resistant nylon fiber that won't break or bend like cheaper plastic versions. These car tools are specifically designed to pop off door panels, clips, and dashboard trims without leaving scratches or marks. If you're installing a new radio or fixing a window motor, this is the safest and most effective car tool kit for the job. Number 15. Kaas Battery Terminal. The Kaas Battery Terminal set is a heavy-duty solution for ensuring a reliable electrical connection. These car tools feature quick-release levers, allowing you to disconnect your battery in seconds without any tools. Made from pure copper with tin plating, they provide excellent conductivity and corrosion resistance. These are perfect for vehicles that sit for long periods, or for DIYers who frequently work on their electrical systems. It's a professional-grade car tool for any serious garage. Number 16. Drsvabze Visor Organizer. Turn your sun visor into a tactical storage hub with the Drsvabze Visor Organizer. This smart car tool features multiple elastic loops and pockets to hold your registration, pens, charging cables, and sunglasses. It's made from durable polyester that won't sag over time. By keeping your essential items right above your head, you reduce distractions while driving. It's one of the most practical car tools on Amazon for keeping a clean and efficient cockpit environment. Number 17. Motor Trend Floor Mats. Protect your car's carpeting from the elements with Motor Trend all-weather floor mats. These heavy-duty car tools are made from an advanced rubber polymer that is odorless and non-toxic. The deep channels are designed to trap water, snow, and mud, keeping your interior dry and clean. They are easily trimmable with a pair of scissors to ensure a custom fit for any vehicle. These are essential car tools for preserving the longevity of your vehicle's floor. Number 18. Coverado Seat Covers. Give your interior a luxury makeover with Coverado seat covers. These smart car tools are made from premium breathable leather that is water-resistant and easy to wipe clean. They feature a universal design that is compatible with side airbags and heated seats. Not only do they protect your original upholstery from wear and tear, but they also provide extra cushioning for a more comfortable ride. They are high-quality car tools that instantly upgrade your vehicle's aesthetic. Number 19. HOTOR Trunk Organizer. Stop items from rolling around in the back with the HOTOR Trunk Organizer. This smart car tool features multiple compartments, side pockets, and sturdy base plates to keep your groceries, car tools, and sports gear in place. It's made from high-density Oxford polyester that is waterproof and easy to clean. When not in use, it folds flat for easy storage. It's an essential car tool for anyone who wants to maintain a tidy and functional cargo area. Number 20. LISEN Retractable Car Charger. The LISEN retractable car charger is the ultimate smart car tool for a cable-free center console. It features 2 built-in retractable cables and extra USB ports, allowing you to charge multiple devices simultaneously. The 69-watt output ensures fast charging for smartphones and even laptops. With a sleek design that fits into your cigarette lighter, it eliminates the mess of tangled wires. It's a modern car tool that keeps your tech powered up and your interior looking clean. Number 21. NOONE Jumper Cables. Every driver should have NOONE jumper cables in their trunk. These heavy-duty car tools feature thick 4-gauge copper-clad aluminum wires that provide excellent conductivity, even in extreme cold. Yet the tangle-free design and strong spring clamps make them easy to use during a stressful breakdown. They come with a convenient carrying bag for organized storage. These are essential car tools for any emergency kit, ensuring you're never stranded with a dead battery for very long. Number 22. AstroAI Tire Inflator. The AstroAI Tire Inflator is a powerful smart car tool that provides peace of mind on the road. This portable air compressor features a digital display and an auto shutoff function that stops once the desired pressure is reached. It's fast, reliable, and includes multiple nozzles for inflating balls and air mattresses too. Proper tire pressure improves fuel efficiency and safety, making this one of the most important car tools on Amazon for every vehicle owner to own. Number 23. WEJOWE OBD 2. Scanners save money on mechanic fees with the WEJOWE OBD 2 scanner. This smart car tool plugs directly into your vehicle's port to read and clear check engine light codes in seconds. It provides real-time data on your engine's performance, helping you diagnose DIY fix-it issues before they become major problems. It's user-friendly and compatible with most cars made after 1996. For a DIYer, this is the most valuable car tool for understanding what's happening under the hood. Number 24. AlltroLite Emergency Tool. The AlltroLite 3-in-1 emergency tool is a compact lifesaver that fits in your door pocket. This smart car tool combines a powerful window breaker, a sharp seatbelt cutter, and a bright LED flashlight. It's designed for quick access during a crisis, allowing you to escape a trapped vehicle in seconds. Made from high-quality materials, it's a durable car tool that every family should have. Safety first. This is an essential car tool for total peace of mind. Number 25. SINSEN Safety Hammer. Equip your car with the SINSEN Safety Hammer set for ultimate emergency preparedness. These car tools feature double-sided hardened carbon steel points designed to shatter side windows effortlessly. The integrated seatbelt cutter uses a guarded razor blade to slice through webbing without risking injury. This set includes 2 hammers, allowing you to mount one in the front and one in the back. It's a critical car tool that provides an extra layer of protection for all your passengers. Number 26. REEVAA Juniper Accessories. The REEVAA Juniper accessories line offers stylish and functional upgrades for your Tesla or modern EV. These smart car tools include high-quality screen protectors, center console wraps, and custom-fit organizers. Each piece is designed to enhance the minimalist aesthetic while providing practical protection against fingerprints and scratches. If you're looking for premium car tools on Amazon to personalize your electric vehicle, REEVAA provides the perfect balance of form and function for any tech-loving driver. Number 27. CoolKo Neck Pillow. Long road trips are much more enjoyable with the CoolKo Neck Pillow. This smart car tool is made from high-density memory foam that provides excellent cervical support, reducing fatigue and neck strain. Like the breathable cover is removable and machine washable for easy maintenance. It features an adjustable strap that fits securely around most headrests. It's an essential car tool for passengers and drivers alike who want to arrive at their destination feeling refreshed and pain-free. Number 28. AUGO Ratchet Straps. Secure your cargo with confidence using AUGO Ratchet Straps. These heavy-duty car tools feature a 1,500-pound brake strength and rubber-coated S-hooks to prevent scratches on your vehicle. The ergonomic handles make tightening a breeze, ensuring your bikes, furniture, or camping gear stay put on the roof or in the truck bed. They come with a handy storage bag to keep them organized. These are must-have car tools for anyone who frequently hauls large items safely. Number 29. NOS Able Life Car Support Handle. The Able Life Car Support Handle is a brilliant smart car tool designed to provide extra stability when getting in and out of your vehicle. It slides into the U-shaped door striker on most cars, creating a sturdy grab bar that can support up to 350 pounds. It also features a built-in window breaker and seatbelt cutter for emergencies. This is an essential car tool for seniors or anyone recovering from an injury who needs extra assistance. Number 30. TNMymism Wiper Regroover. Extend the life of your windshield wipers with the TNMymism Wiper Regroover. This smart car tool uses a precise blade to trim away the worn-out rubber, restoring the edge of your wiper blades for a streak-free view. It's an eco-friendly and cost-effective car tool that can be used multiple times before you need to buy new wipers. In just a few seconds, you can improve your visibility during heavy rain. It's a clever DIY fix-it tool. Number 31. Max Haul Wheel Chock safety is paramount when working under your vehicle, and the Max Haul Wheel Chock is a vital car tool for the job. Made from heavy-duty rubber with a high-grip surface, it prevents your car from rolling while jacked up. The integrated handle makes it easy to position and remove. Whether you're changing oil or swapping tires, these car tools provide the stability you need to work confidently. Never settle for a brick. Use the right car tools. Number 32. Amuka Seatbelt Cover. The Amuka Seatbelt Cover adds a touch of comfort to your daily commute. Yeah, these soft, padded smart car tools prevent the seatbelt from rubbing against your neck or chest, reducing irritation and chafing. Made from high-quality carbon fiber style material, they add a sporty look to your interior. They are easy to install with a simple hook and loop closure. For such a small investment, these car tools provide a noticeable upgrade in driving comfort every day. Number 33. Red Tiger Dash Cam. Capture every detail of your journey with the Red Tiger Dash Cam. This high-tech smart car tool features 4K resolution, built-in GPS, and Wi-Fi for easy file sharing. The wide-angle lens provides a complete view of the road, while the night vision ensures clear footage in low-light conditions. It also includes a parking monitor for 24/7 protection. It's one of the most advanced car tools on Amazon for providing evidence in case of an accident or theft. Number 34. Ginsko Car Trash. Can keep your interior spotless with the Ginsko Car Trash Can. This smart car tool features a leak-proof lining and an adjustable strap that allows you to hang it from the headrest or console. It's compact enough to stay out of the way, but large enough to hold a day's worth of wrappers and receipts. The lid keeps odors contained and trash out of sight. It's a simple, essential car tool for maintaining a clean and inviting vehicle. Number 35. Awtown Tire Repair Kit. The Awtown Tire Repair Kit is a professional-grade solution for fixing punctures on the go. This 68-piece set includes everything you need to repair tubeless tires, from T-handle insertion tools to heavy-duty repair plugs. These car tools are made from refined steel for maximum durability. It's a vital addition to your emergency car tools kit, allowing you to perform a quick DIY fix-it and get back on the road without waiting for a tow truck. Number 36. Aniline Pet Hair Remover. If you travel with your furry friends, the Aniline Pet Hair Remover is a game changer. This smart car tool features a unique triangular design with 3 different density teeth to pull hair from every corner of your upholstery. It's much more effective than a vacuum or lint roller. Made from durable rubber, it's built to last and won't damage your car's fabric. It's an essential car tool for pet owners who want a clean interior. Number 37. Valley Comfy Steering Wheel. Cover. Protect your hands from extreme temperatures with the Valley Comfy Steering Wheel cover. This high-quality car tool is made from genuine leather that provides a superior grip and a soft touch. It protects your steering wheel from sun damage and wear while adding a premium look to your cabin. The anti-slip lining ensures it stays securely in place. For any driver, this is a practical and stylish car tool that improves every second you spend behind the wheel. Number 38. HOTOR Work Light. The HOTOR Work Light is an indispensable car tool for late-night repairs. It features a powerful CoBak that provides 1,000 lumens of bright light, along with a magnetic base and a swivel hook for hands-free operation. The rechargeable battery ensures you're never hunting for spares. Whether you're under the hood or changing a tire on the shoulder, this smart car tool illuminates your workspace perfectly. It's a rugged and reliable car tool for any DIYer. Number 39. Givi5 Seat Gap Filler. Say goodbye to the black hole between your seats with the Givi5 Seat Gap Filler. This smart car tool is a flexible padded sleeve that fits around your seatbelt buckle, preventing phones, keys, and coins from falling into the gap. It moves with the seat and blends in perfectly for a factory look. It's a simple car tool that eliminates one of the most annoying parts of driving. No more fishing for dropped items? Number 40. Sunferno Seat Organizer. The Sunferno Seat Organizer is the ultimate solution for backseat chaos. This smart car tool features a dedicated iPad holder, multiple mesh pockets for bottles, and a deep compartment for books or toys. Made from heavy-duty material, it protects your seat back from scuff marks and kicks. It's an essential car tool for parents who want to keep their kids entertained and their car organized during long trips. Everything has its place with Sunferno. And that's our list of the 40 best smart car tools on Amazon for your next DIY fix-it project. From safety essentials to high-tech gadgets, these car tools are designed to make your life easier and your drive safer. If you saw a tool today that you absolutely need, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more car tool reviews. Drive safe and happy fixing.